This is my home info and about info. So many things I'll be having in a database. Let's assume it is one record and it is one record. Okay. So when I hit this URL, okay, this particular thing should be rendered with home info. This particular content. Correct. This particular content should be having this home info here.
Yeah, home information will be displayed there, right?
Yeah, fine. First I'm sending to the database, and database is sending something. The backend is doing something. I don't know, whatever it is. So home info is coming and sitting here. When I click on about us, this about us should be replaced with home info should be replaced with
About us.
about info. Correct, right?
Yes.
So how it happens using Ajax? Without using Ajax, URL will be changed.
Without using Ajax, URL will be changed.
Yes,
Okay.
URL will be changed. So if you are using Ajax, URL won't change.
Okay, the URL remains the same.
The URL
only
remains the
the
same.
content
Yes,
will be
only the
changed.
content is going to be changed. See,
Okay.
what we assume regularly, see, if URL is loading, what we think is the page is loading.
Yes.
Without loading the URL also, we can load the page.
Okay.
Okay. That is the concept of Ajax.
Okay. Without loading the URL, we are loading the page.
Not only the page, the specific
Okay.
part.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Specific part in the sense, this is my specific container, right? This part.
Yes.
Only this should be reloaded. If the URL is reloaded, the header should be re-rendered. This
The whole page, yes.
yeah, a
The
whole
whole
page
page
should be
will be
re-rendered.
done. Yes.
Correct. So if I load a
Yes.
specific part, that only should be
Okay.
reloaded. So we are avoiding this much stuff with
Okay.
Ajax. So I'll tell
Okay.
you
Got
the
it.
later, and I'll show you the examples and how it works and all. You don't need to worry. I'm just explaining. I'm just telling what it is.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Okay, you got it right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Can I move next?
Yes.
Yeah, the development workflow. This is only the development workflow. Nothing is there. Okay, for the JavaScript, for starting, you don't require anything. Okay, basic HTML CSS knowledge is enough. Okay, so next.
Okay.
So selecting right tools for the job. My best tool and major tool is my console.
Console, I
Okay.
don't know about console. What is the
Yeah, I'll
use of
explain you.
that
I'll
one?
explain you. No problem. No problem. How it is. See, coming to here, let's assume I'm running this index file through the. This is my hello world file.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just open this. Notepad++. Okay. See what it is there. I just included one script file. Everything is commented. You don't need to worry about this. I'm just explaining what it is. This console. I'll explain the console for this.
Okay.
So this is what I'm happening. For H1 is hello class. Hi hello world. I'm inserting one script file, means I'm linking one script file saying the script.js. What it is having, document.write of hello from external script.
Okay.
Okay, what I got, hello world, hello from external script.
Okay.
Okay, see here, I'll tell you the console what it is. Come here, this is my index.html file. Okay, the document, header, footer, whatever the elements you are seeing here, that elements would be considered, and that elements would be shown in the elements tab.
Yeah.
Right click,
Okay.
inspect. That's it. You just right click, inspect it, or else the shortcut is F12. Okay, if you click F12, okay, this will come. First
Okay.
tab is an elements tab.
Okay.
Okay, all these should be together into a single wrap of unit. You just need to enable each and everything. So
Mm.
I refreshed it.
Okay.
Okay, I refreshed it. I'm showing again. So I'm pressing F12 here.
That's it.
Okay,
Okay.
you're seeing this console, right?
Mm.
See, first is elements tab. Okay, which consists of all the elements whatever you are getting from the tab. See here,
Yes.
H1 tab, hello class, hello ID. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, everything is coming right.
Yes.
Yeah, you just see here, hello class, hello ID, script.js, and this is the external script which I included.
Mm.
Okay, hello from external script which is coming here.
Okay.
Why? Because it is coming after to the thing is after to the script is, see, after loading my script, this script is doing the doing something, that it is adding something to the DOM.
Yes.
Okay, so it is
Okay.
coming next to that.
Mm.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, fine. So the first is an element tab. So you're going to see this all the elements which you have
Display.
in a what, HTML tab.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
these four you'll find. One is a H1 tab, one is script tab, one is hello world, which is coming from the external script, and this is a script
Okay.
tag. Okay,
Mm.
what I declared there, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine. So whatever the document it
Mm.
is there, it is coming there.
Mm.
Fine.
Hello.
Yeah, fine, right?
Yeah. Right.
You got right what it is and why
Yeah.
everything and all.
Yeah.
Okay,
I understood.
fine.
Mm.
And next I'll be moving to the next thing.
Mm.
Next is a console. Why the console is used?
Mm.
As a JavaScript developer, console is the heart of your application.
Mm.
Okay, we don't have any log. We have the logs, but it won't generate and all, like Java and all. Okay, for the Java, while compilation, it shows some logs, and we are going to what, remove the errors, and we are recompiling and seeing that this and all will not happen here.
Okay.
Okay, whatever the error you are getting, that would be shown in the console.
Only the error or output also?
Output will not be there in the console, right? Output will be there in a document.
What means 1 minute? When
Okay.
I'm doing okay, 5 + 3 equal to 8, right?
Hmm.
Console.log uh, of 5 + 3 means it
That
is
is a
showing
debug
8 in the
element.
console.
That is a debug element,
That is
right?
it. Oh, okay.
That is a
So
debug
what are
element.
the
That is
errors?
not an output, right? That is a debug element.
Oh, okay. Hello?
Okay. Yeah.
And whatever the errors is there, it is showing console.
Yeah.
It will be
Whatever the
showing console.
errors, whatever the logs, whatever the warnings, means it is not going to be displayed on the HTML page.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just tell you here console.log. What you are asking is console log of 5 + 3, 8.
Hmm. Yeah, it is showing like that. What
Yeah,
I
it's
know
showing
is
like that.
about that one.
See, whenever you wrote console.log, see,
Hmm?
yeah, I'll write for you. See here, I wrote console.log of 5 + 3. This is my log. Okay,
Okay.
this is a document. I'm writing it to document. Here I'm writing it to console.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
see here, if I refresh here, see 8 is came.
Yeah.
Okay, that is for our sake. Okay,
That is for?
our sake, and that is for
Okay.
developer sake, not for the
Okay.
what perspective who is front end guys. They don't know all this stuff, right?
Oh,
Who are using our
okay.
website, they don't know all this stuff.
Okay.
Let us assume, see here,
Hmm.
okay, this hello from external script.
Hmm.
Okay, this is coming from Ajax call.
This is coming from Ajax?
Ajax call. Let's assume that it is coming from a database.
Okay.
Okay, I want to check whether
Okay.
what it is coming on or not before printing it to
Hmm.
screen. before printing it to screen, I just want to check what it is coming. Okay, like this we do debug.
Okay, just for checking purpose, right? Console.log.
Not just for the checking purpose. Without having console, you don't do you are not you cannot do anything.
Okay.
It is for the developer's perspective. So you can cross check all the stuff here before printing it to document.
Okay.
Means it will be useful while you are developing. Once you push it to live, nobody will go and check your consoles and all. See, while I'm working on this, let's assume I'm working on this. Okay. Before printing it to document, so I want to check what it is coming. So here I'm going to write an Ajax call to database. Okay, DB returning some object, some data. Okay, I want to check what this data consists of. Correct, right? Not getting.
That one. Ajax DB that from the.
Fine. See here. See, when I click on About tab, About tab means I'm sending something to the database. Means I'm sending one call to the database.
Okay.
Okay. It is going to the database and it is fetching some information related to About info.
Yes.
Correct. About info returning some database means this database is returning some information. That information I'm going to put it here. Correct.
Yes, right.
See, before putting it to screen, I can check it in a console.
Okay.
Check it in a console in the sense, console is different, document is different. Document is nothing but which we are seeing here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, right.
The console is nothing but which is coming after pressing F12.
Okay.
These are the developer tools.
Okay. Okay.
It's not for the front end side. So I want to check. See, before coming to the database, instead of about info, I'm getting some number. Means I'm getting some 15. Okay. Wait. There is one button saying that. Calculate. Okay. Calculate. You are going to see this. Okay. Remove all this stuff. Okay. So if I click on calculate, whatever the data I'm getting from the backend, I'm getting from the response, I need to multiply with 5.
You need to multiply with 5. Okay.
5. That is my requirement. Okay, when I click on calculate, the database sends me something 10.
Okay.
Okay, when I get the response, okay, when I click on calculate, it will go and fetch 10 to the 10 as an response. So directly this 10 I am not going to be showing, I am not going to be shown in the container. Okay, I am going to perform some operations on it.
Okay.
Okay, I am doing some operation on it. Correct, right? So when I get the response as a 10, let's assume where x is equals to 10. Okay, this let's assume this is came from the database. I'll show you from the database also. I'll show you how it will work. Now just assume that it is coming from the DB. Okay, coming from DB. So I want to perform some operation on it. So whatever I got, this is my x, right? I want to multiply with 5.
Okay.
Correct?
Hmm.
I want to show it in a document.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yes.
Plus x into 5. So what will be the output now? 10 into 5.
10 into 5. Okay.
50.
Hmm. Right.
Okay?
Hmm.
Did you got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Understand. Understand.
Fine, right? So
Hmm.
here the thing is we know already x is 10.
Hmm.
Okay. By seeing here, I don't know what is coming as an x and what is coming as an something is doing on back end. I don't know what it is happening.
Yes.
I want to check what x is coming.
Hmm.
By seeing this, we can tell simply that x is 5 something because of we are multiplying with the
Yes.
5, and
Yeah.
if we divide with 5 and we'll get 10.
Yeah.
See, if I am getting something like this,
Hmm.
so how I can tell this?
Yes.
I cannot tell, right? So
Yes. Right.
I want to see this the response what it is coming from the database.
Okay.
So that time I'm going to log this x. So
Log this X. Okay.
data from DB.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to print that data
Hmm.
x. Now you are seeing this console log, right?
Yes.
Data from DB as an x.
Hmm.
So now I open my console, second tab. Okay,
Hmm.
I refresh it.
Hmm.
It came right. Data from DB. It is 1052 something 534.
Okay.
Okay, like this purpose. Okay, developer should know, right?
Yes.
This is very simple example. What I shown you. Going further, you will be seeing that use of the console.
Okay.
Okay, without
Whatever
console,
the
whatever the information you want to see before sending into the
okay.
database, before sending into the
Okay.
document, before printing into the document, so
Okay.
you can check it.
From the database,
Mm.
whatever the data is coming on the front end, I mean, it is not showing. Whatever
Mm.
the content is coming from the database, we can see by using console.log.
Yes, correct. Not only the
Okay.
database, not only the content from the database. So let's assume I am
Hmm.
creating one object here.
Okay.
Okay, X as an object, a name colon Huzur. Okay,
Hmm.
F
Hmm.
name and L name is an Ali. So you know object, right?
Yes, I
Yeah,
know.
you know object, right? Yeah, that's it. If you don't know,
Hmm.
let me know. I'll explain what it is and all.
Yeah.
Okay, F
Hmm.
name is a key. Okay,
Hmm.
Huzur is a value. So if I
Okay.
want to see this F name, if
Hmm.
I want to print only F name, how I can print the F name?
F name x dot f name,
Yes, correct.
that
X
object
dot,
dot property.
yes, object dot property.
Property.
So here you're seeing it, right? You can
Yes.
see it,
Let
right?
me.
Like this.
Yeah.
See,
Right.
this object is coming from the database.
Hmm.
So I want to see that
Okay.
information.
Okay.
So that time you can do console logs.
Okay. Okay.
It will be the very useful information. See, I don't know what is
Hmm.
X. I don't know what is X. It is coming from the service call. So I want to see it. I don't know what it.
Okay.
See, it's a very simple object. We
Hmm.
have nested objects. We have key value pairs, something, 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 right? So that time, if I
Hmm.
want to perform a specific operation on a specific tab, see, I want a fifth element in an array which is
Hmm.
associated with the key as something, some X.
Okay.
So and that time where X dot X of 5 dot name. Okay,
Okay.
I'm confusing you.
No.
See. This is my data array.
Hmm.
In this, I have one more object, name colon blah blah. See, I want to print this information. So how I can print x dot data. Hello.
In object, you had declared an array.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay.
Then what I need to write? It is an object. So of 0 dot name. Correct.
In object, we can declare an array. Can we
Yeah.
declare?
We can. Why not?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is an
Hmm.
array, 0th element. See, I have one more element saying that name as an something. See, I want to print this name to the database. See, to the
Hmm.
document.
Hmm.
Okay. So how I can print data of? Tell me. It's very simple.
Data of one dot name.
So here I have some number.
Yeah.
10 is my number. I want to perform some operation on this. So data of 1 dot num. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Here like this I want to do some operation on it. So I want to print it to the database, print it to the document. So before printing it to the document, I want to check what it is
Hmm.
coming.
Okay.
Correct?
Hmm.
We cannot put everything as everything into document, right?
Yeah.
Because it won't. Why it is console.log? Still you can get it, or else you want me to explain much more.
A little bit confusing.
Don't need to worry. Nothing is there. Whatever you are going to print it on document,
Hmm.
that you can print it on a console itself.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Going further, you'll get to know what is the use of the console.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Hmm.
Don't dig anything about it.
Okay.
Okay. And next tab. I'm moving into next tab.
Yeah.
And
We are
this is,
discussing about console.
yeah,
Sorry, what is the console?
console is a debugging tool.
Okay.
It's a debugging tool of a script.
Hmm. You told me something with the console. Console.log is different. Console is different.
No, no, I didn't do like
For
that.
checking
See,
errors or something.
console.log,
Console.
whatever we wrote in a, see, this is a document. Whenever I wrote that log,
Hmm.
it shows as an log. Dot error I wrote, it shows as an error.
Okay.
See, it shows in a red color. Okay, dot
Hmm.
info I wrote, it shows in a warning. Dot info also same. Sometimes dot
No, no, no.
warning also is there.
Not that. Whatever the errors in the document will show in the console.
Hmm.
Elements means it shows all the HTML page.
Hmm.
You
Yes,
told
correct.
me,
Hmm.
yeah, console is for showing the errors, whatever the present in the document.
Yes. It shows some errors also. See here, let's assume,
Okay.
see I'm
Mm.
performing x into 5.
Mm.
Okay. What is x? X
Mm.
is a object.
10 or
Can I
something.
can I
Okay,
perform
object.
can I perform multiply operation on this object?
No.
No, right? So here, see here,
Yes.
refresh it. So it
Okay.
is showing not a number.
Yeah. Not a number.
Not
Yeah.
a number because of it says like that only. So
Mm.
what I can do? See, I'm going to print as a y.
Mm.
So x into x plus y. See here,
Mm.
uncaught reference error y is not defined.
Okay.
So I didn't did anything. If I refresh it, what I'm trying to expect, I need to, I'm expecting this one.
Yes. Right.
Okay. So I don't know what happens. So if I open my console,
Hmm.
console will tell me that reference error y is not defined. Because of that,
Okay.
this particular line was not evaluated. So I'm not going here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
If I comment this, so I'm not performing any
Hmm.
operation. I'm just showing the y. So if I come here,
Okay. You are not declared.
I not a declared. So because of I'm
Yes.
writing
Right.
it to document. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So this will tell you what it is, what is happening there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is happening in your document, it will explain you. That's it. Means you can
Okay.
get to know what is happening there or not.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Fine. Next tab is sources tab. Sources tab is saying that something it's not required as of now. I'll tell you later why
Hmm.
and why it is later. I'll tell you explain. If you come to here, sources, mm, something you'll see here. All your documents you can see here.
Hmm.
Sorry. If you come here, sources, see all your document, whatever the documents you have in your but in this for the .html index.html it is loading.
Hmm.
Okay, for the index.html, I am loading one index.html and one script.js. See, one index.html, one script.js here.
Hmm.
Okay, the
Okay.
index.html and script.js, the sources in the sense list of files what we are loading here.
What are there? Okay.
Okay, and you can
Yes.
cross check it here. Sometimes the JavaScript files will not load. Load in the sense the older version of the JavaScript file will load because of the browser cache, something blah 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 blah. Okay,
Okay. Hmm.
network problem somewhere else, so that we can cross check that information whether that particular information what I wrote is present or not.
Hmm.
Okay, you can cross check it,
Hmm.
but most probably we don't use it. And this is a network tab. Okay, when you refresh it, it is sending some request and it is getting some response. So when I refresh it, I'm hitting this index.html, right?
Hmm.
Okay, first it loads an index.html. Then in index.html it is loading a script, right?
Hmm.
Script.js it is loading, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, that is it. Whatever the network in the sense, whatever all the documents we are loading, means whatever the service calls
Hmm.
we are doing, all the information, network related information, means the file transfer, FTP file transfer information will be having in this network tab.
Okay.
Okay, in the performance tab, uh, control E. See, if I refresh it, I stop it. This is the performance. Okay, nothing is there.
Hmm.
You can see this what is loaded and what time it took. We
Oh, we
won't.
can see.
Yeah, we can see parsing HTML, how much time it takes, and evaluate all this
Do we
stuff.
use all this in the front end?
These and all nobody will use, just for the sake.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Okay, and is a memory.
Hmm.
Memory tag means, see, with the script also we can create some local storages and all. Okay,
With that,
local storage. You know the local storage.
I don't know.
Local storage in the sense in the browser itself we can add something.
In the browser itself.
In the browser itself we can add some data.
That
It
I
acts
don't know.
like a database also.
That I don't know.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. See here, this is my snapshot. What are all the things you have?
Hmm.
Maps, you don't need to worry about this. We'll tell you later. Okay,
Okay.
and this is the application. See here, local storage, session storage, whatever you want you have, you can add it. indexed database, web SQL,
Mhm.
all the all this stuff we can add it here.
Okay.
Refresh DB sessions, local storage. I'll show you what it does. Going for that. This is a security tab and audits augury. These are all the external tags which I used for Angular, React, Redux, and all. Okay.
Okay.
Augury, Redux, AdBlock. AdBlock is for something, some ads and all. Redux is for React. Augury is for Angular. Audits, it's not required.
Mhm.
Okay, this and all we won't use. Maximum use elements console network. Most probably
Elements console network. Okay.
network. 90%
What is
of
the use
our,
of network?
yeah, network is for
Index
FTPs, file transfer protocols and all.
FTPs.
Yeah, FTP, file transfer protocol.
Yeah, that I know. What is the use of network clearly?
One second,
You
one
told
second,
me.
one second, one second.
Mhm.
Hello.
Hello. Tell me.
Yeah, network tab is for the loading external things, not for the local things.
Loading external things. Okay.
External things means how I can say, network tab will show so what are all files and the data which is you are getting from the database, and how all you can see it from here.
Okay. What are the files are there? You can see it in the network tab.
Yeah, files you can see, and if I
Okay.
am running some Ajax calls, that Ajax call also it will show here.
Ajax.
Ajax calls also it will show here.
Okay.
Ajax call I shown here, right?
But
Ajax
I don't know Ajax. Okay.
Ajax tab.
Yeah.
We just discussed about it. This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Right. Ajax. Right.
All the stuff you'll see. We'll tell you how it will show that. No. Okay, no problem.
Oh.
No need to.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then tools done. And you know this HTML and CSS, right?
Yes.
You just need a basic, that's it. No problem. Understanding the object.
Uh, Objects I know, but you added the array to the object that I didn't know.
Yep, correct. So let me yeah, see here. If you have any doubt, let me ask.
Hmm.
If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll explain.
Okay.
Okay. See here. How many ways are there to access a value of an object? So just remove it. So this is my first name
This
and
thing I
last
know.
name. Okay. This is the
Yeah.
basic
Okay.
things. So if I want to print the
Yes.
name, x
Print
dot
an x dot fname
x
or
dot
x
f
dot
name.
lm, or you can use the method by using full name, some function like that.
That is next thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay. See, if you see in a console, this is my first name and all. See, if I want to get this this is one way, dot operator.
Mm.
One is a bracket notation.
Yeah. And okay.
Okay, like this also we can get.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
See, if I put here as a number,
Mm.
okay, bracket notation will not work.
Sorry.
If I put here as a
If you put a
number,
number,
only we need to use the bracket notation.
the bracket notation will not work.
Only bracket notation will work. See, if
Only
I
bracket notation will
get
work.
x
Okay.
dot one,
Okay.
it shows an error
Okay.
because
Okay.
of numbers cannot be pulled. Means if it is a key is a number,
Uh,
apart from the string, key is a number, we cannot get it with
mm.
dot operator. So
Okay.
we need only the bracket notation.
Okay.
Since it is a key is a number, see,
Mm.
key is a string, we can get it either ways.
Okay.
So if it is a number, so we can put it in a single quotes, and the single without single quotes also it will work. So if it is a
Okay.
string, if
Yeah.
you are using a bracket notation without single quotes, I don't know whether it will work or not. I'm just trying. Yeah, see, fname is not defined because of fname. It is treating as a some variable. Okay. Hello. Hello. What happened? Okay, fine.